Coming to you live from the Pakse Loop in Laos, this is Bro Teach Me Crypto, episode 5. Alright, here it is. So, in episode 3...
Yeah.
So in episode 3, I showed you how to set up your wallet and on-ramp funds into the wallet. And this lesson, I'm going to build upon what you learned in episode 3 and just show you how you can make the most of your crypto wallet.
Great.
Alright, so I'm going to have a video recording on my phone so you can follow along as well.
Nice one.
Alright, so you open up Phantom.
Yep.
And immediately you see this home screen, right? So let's just sort of go through the layout of it. This button here, receive. This is for if you want to receive crypto.
Okay.
You'd never guess. So let's say...
On all the different blockchains?
Yeah, these are all the different blockchains. So let's say you wanted to send me a crypto that's on the Solana blockchain. If you're with me, I could tap this and that pulls up a QR code of my wallet. So you scan that with Phantom and it makes it really easy.
Nice one.
But if you weren't with me, you click these 2 squares here and that copies it and then you could just send it to me on WhatsApp.
Alright, great.
So yeah, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. That's how you get crypto into your wallet. Okay, here's how to send crypto from your wallet. So you click send here and then a drop down appears with all the tokens in your wallet. I'm going to send you some Tardio.
Got you.
So click Tardio.
Eat your Tardio.
And then another drop down will appear with like the address that you want to send it to. I'm just going to paste in my own. And then you click next. Then you're going to choose the amount. How much Tardio do you want to send? I'm just going to send myself 1. Again,
what's that worth?
It's worth $0.00.
Nice.
And then click next. And then like a summary appears. Just make sure it's all right. Sending it to myself. It says it's sending, it's got a warning because I'm sending it to my own wallet, but it's fine. And then click send, wait a few seconds, and sort of a tick should appear on the screen. There we go.
Nice one.
That's simple.
Simples.
Next up is the swap function. And this allows you to swap between tokens directly in Phantom.
So if I had some Solana and just wanted to change it to Bitcoin, I can do that through Phantom.
Yeah. But Phantom actually take a bit of a fee. So I'd recommend that whenever you do a swap, do it through Jupiter.
Yeah.
It's cheaper. We want to save money.
Yeah.
So that's that. And then the 4th icon there is buy. Now, this basically allows you to sort of top up on any cryptos and you can use your own credit card or debit card to buy
it. Wow, okay.
But I don't really use this feature and I'd still recommend using Kraken Pro because again, it's cheaper.
Yeah.
So that's those 4 buttons at the top done. Of course, at the very top, you got your balance, pretty self-explanatory. Then you've got your token list and it displays the amounts here. And then
but is that your balance of all the cryptos summed together, how much you own?
In this wallet,
yeah.
Yeah. And then this is a drop-down token list. And it shows the amounts, like, let's say I've got 1 Solana, and then it's dollar value to the right.
Yep.
And then that's pretty much that on the home screen. And then, I don't know if you can, it's pretty bright out here, but you've got 5 icons at the bottom.
It's been pressing that button a lot.
You've got the home, you've got this second one in, and that's for collectibles, like NFTs.
All right.
So you find those there. Again, middle is swap. The one across from that with the little clock icon shows your transaction history.
Got you.
So let's say you just wanted to see what you've been up to. You can navigate to that. And then the final one is the little search icon on the bottom. And this is the app's inbuilt browser.
Got you.
So that's where you access like Jupiter and all the other apps you can connect your wallet to.
Right, so you know in the last episode, what is Solana?
Yeah.
Right, we were talking for ages about I don't even think it's in the episode, but about smart contracts.
Mm-hmm.
And there is like built into the blockchain or code in the blockchain or whatever. When you're searching something on Drift, is that accessing a smart contract on a blockchain, or is that just literally like Google?
What, the inbuilt browser?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you search in Phantom, it's just like you could literally watch a movie on it.
Yeah, okay.
It's just like a browser, but because it's in the wallet, then you can connect the wallet to the website.
Got it.
Bye, buddy. Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so you know on my wallet how you can track it from your phone, see what I'm trading?
Yeah.
Is that a thing that I've let you do, or can you track anyone's wallet on Phantom?
So you could
have their address?
As long as you have their public address, you can track anyone. And it doesn't have to just be on Phantom.
So if you see on the blockchain, some guys just bought like 500 mil worth of Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
You could go on Phantom, and if you had a Phantom wallet, you could see what he was holding.
Yeah, it's unlikely to be buying it on Solana because it's hard to get Bitcoin on Solana at the moment. But let's say you bought half a billion of Sol.
Yeah.
Then you'd see it.
Ah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So in the crypto space, would you have a few people's wallets that you're tracking that you mates with, or not really?
So some meme coin traders, or just traders in general, they'll follow whales' wallets to see sort of what they're doing, and you can copy trade.
So it's like copy trading.
It's all transparent. So
yeah.
So speaking of transparency and trading, if you want to follow Pete's progress, link in the bio. Well, he started off with $250. Will he make it to a millionaire, or will he lose the lot? That's the question.
Yeah.
So check out. All right.
Yeah.
Back to the episode. So we've had a look at all the main features of the wallet now. The next thing I'm going to teach you is about crypto apps.
Okay.
So all crypto websites are just like normal websites. So you can search it up in Google, right? But most of them have a little button at the top right where you can actually connect your wallet.
Mm-hmm.
And it basically integrates your wallet and allows the site to interact with the tokens inside your wallet.
Okay.
So,
connecting the Drift account.
Exactly. Yeah. So let's say when you connect to Jupiter for the first time, it'll say in the top right, connect wallet, a pop-up will appear, and you've got to confirm that. So that's the first time you sort of connect to something. And then whenever you make an interaction with that app, whether it be you make a swap, buy an NFT, or open a perp trade, you'll have to confirm a transaction. Yeah. So it's just another pop-up.
Yeah.
So it's that simple. But now this is where we get onto safety. Wallet safety. 5 tips for wallet safety.
Nice.
Tip number 1. Whenever you navigate to a website, let's say Jupiter, it's always wise to double check the link. And you can do that by going to their company's Twitter page and they'll have the link in the bio. Because if you click on a wrong link and connect your wallet, you could get drained.
Yeah, right.
Tip number 2 is you should consider creating a burner wallet as well as a storage wallet. So currently you've got one wallet, and that's both your burner and your storage. But it's quite wise if you put the most of your crypto in your storage wallet and don't connect it to anything.
And only take out
what you
stuff
need
from it when you're going to trade it, and then put it back in.
And use your burner wallet to connect to all the apps.
Got you.
Therefore, even if you do get your wallet compromised, you're not going to lose all your crypto.
Yeah.
Tip number 3, when you're sending crypto between addresses, so say you're sending some crypto to me, you should double and triple check the address is right.
Okay.
Because there's something called wallet poisoning. And let's say your wallet address starts with a few letters and ends with a few letters.
Yeah.
They can actually find an address that starts and ends in a similar way.
Yeah.
And send you tiny amounts of crypto. So that when you click in your transaction history, you think you're copying your own, but you're actually copying theirs, and then you make a transfer to their wallet, and you've been scammed.
Got you.
So double, triple check. Tip number 4, never, ever, ever, ever put your private keys or your secret recovery phrase online.
Right.
You should only just write it down on a few bits of paper, put them in secure locations, and never put it on the internet.
I think it's so funny about crypto, because it's all just online until it gets to work, everyone's print it out on metal and bury it. Theoretically, if you lost your private key, you lost your bit of paper, or you forgot where you put it, would you literally just not be able to do anything anymore with that wallet? Or is there like
like, if you lost it, you'd probably still be able to use Phantom.
Yeah.
But let's say you ever switched phones, then you probably won't be able to import your wallet.
So there's no one you can go to access it. There's no like higher power.
No.
I like
So yeah, self-custody's got its pros and cons. And tip number 5, if you're investing a considerable amount in crypto, maybe more than £500, then you should consider picking up a hardware wallet.
What's a hardware wallet?
Glad you asked. So in episode 3, on the written explainer, I talked about hot and cold wallets. A hot wallet is one that connects to the internet. It's usually software like Phantom on your phone.
Oh, yeah.
So hot wallets are really useful for like everyday use and interacting with apps.
Is a cold wallet just on a memory stick?
Yeah, it's something that doesn't connect to the internet.
Right, okay.
So a hot wallet's useful because you can use it all the time, it's easy to use, and it's always there on your phone. But it is more susceptible to lots of malware, phishing, and hacks. Therefore, like we talked about with a storage wallet and like an everyday wallet or a burner wallet, it's advisable that you get one of these cold wallets, something that doesn't connect to the internet. It's like another layer of safety for your crypto. And you put most of your like investments on there, and then again, use the burner wallet just for everyday use.
So with the burner wallet, let's say I bought 10 Sol, I would then send that to my cold wallet. And then if I wanted to send it back out of the burner, wouldn't my cold wallet still have to connect to the internet?
So your cold wallet basically like plugs into your laptop.
Yeah.
Never connects to the internet, but it holds the private keys for your wallet.
Okay.
So you basically just sign the transaction.
Got you.
Yeah.
So it's like pretty much the hot wallet, that could be like having money in a bank account. It's really useful. You can do contactless payments and shit.
Yeah.
And the cold wallet is having
vault.
like a vault of gold beneath your house.
Yeah. Exactly. The hardware wallet that I use is a Ledger Nano S Plus. They're about 80 quid. But if you're investing a considerable amount, then I strongly advise picking one up. If you're going to purchase a Ledger, consider using our referral link to support the channel. Thank you very much.
I might do that.